Right, so what type of roundabout do we have ahead of us? Major. If you look there, there's a blue sign, but somebody twisted the board. But the board is not there. How else can you tell if it's a major roundabout?
It's because there's 2 lanes going onto it. Oh, and there's an island.
Island, and also usually they're not all the time, but they're quite raised as well.
Okay.
So you can see that as well. Now we're going to be turning left first exit, and as we're approaching, when you're about 2 to 3 cars length away, we need to glance on your
right
and
straight
ahead as well. Okay, so I'm going to move up from here. So I'm doing my palm routine. So I go to the drive, prepare, I check my mirrors, signal up, blind spots check. If nobody's coming, I would move, cancel a signal, and check my mirrors again. Now I'm going to be turning left. So I check my center in the left mirror, signal down, positioning to the left, and start looking to my right and ahead. And again, looking to my right and ahead. Is anyone coming towards us?
No.
If nobody's coming, what do we follow?
Left curb.
We follow the left curb. Now once we turned, before I speed up, what do I do now again?
Check your mirrors.
Good. There's a warning sign there. So what is it warning us? What's coming up ahead?
A roundabout.
Now I'm going to be turning right. I'm not going to be teaching you this, but it's good to know that.
Okay.
So which lane I need to be on if I'm going right?
The right.
So I check my center in the right mirror, signal to the right. Now looking at now, do you think is it open or closed view for me?
Close.
So I'm going to have to stop over there because there's a wall over there. Once I stop, I'll lean my body over. Quick look my right and ahead. Is anyone coming?
No.
So I'm going to count the exit. I'm taking the third exit. Which exit is this one?
First.
So I'm taking the third one. Means as soon as I hit the second one, I check my center in the left mirror, signal down, and follow the
left curb.
That's it. So my signal benefiting all of this traffic there.
Yeah.
Now I'm not going to rush to cancel my signal. I'm going to make my tires straight, check my mirrors, and build up my speed again.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Now looking ahead, we're going towards Blackburn. Tell me which number of exit I'm taking.
The first.
Good. Because I'm taking the first exit, I actually can signal after this one. So I check my center in the left mirror, signal down. Slow approach, start looking at my right and ahead. Anyone coming towards me?
No.
What do I should follow?
Left curb.
Look at that. Look at my positioning like a moon crescent. As I gone past, don't worry about cancelling your signal. First thing is making progress. What type of risk coming up ahead?
Zebra crossing.
So I need to ask myself, is there anybody need to cross?
No.
Nobody there. So do I need to slow down?
No.
Not necessary. Maybe a little bit, but if nobody there, you don't have to.
Yeah.
So again, there's a reminder sign coming up, okay? Now looking ahead, apart from KFC sign, what can you see? What's coming up ahead?
Blue arrow, so major roundabout.
Well done. Now we know we're going towards Blackburn.
Yeah.
On that roundabout was the second exit, but there is no arrows painted here. So what you need to be doing, approaching slowly, checking your mirrors, and start guessing now. So going straight, which exit I need to take?
Second.
So open view, anyone coming towards us?
No.
So after the white paint, what do I do now?
Signal left.
Mirrors, center in the
signal
left mirror, signal left. And now check my mirrors and build up a speed. If I would have signal left without checking my mirrors, what is the risk I'm taking then?
Anyone undertaking you? Like
Who's anyone?
Cyclists and
Or
cyclists.
e-bikes,
E-bikes,
motorbike. Yeah. Now we're gonna drive off from here. Just to let you know, obviously I have got a dual control over here. If something happens, I will intervene. And if I have to help you a little bit, keep holding the steering, but let me help you as well.
Yeah.
Okay? So drive off from here by yourself, and I will help you out. So your eyes should be looking as far as you can see. What's coming up ahead?
Roundabout.
What type of roundabout?
Major.
Okay, so check your mirrors, ease off the accelerator, don't worry about the signal, start slowing down. Open or close view?
Open.
So we need to think about there is no lane marking, so it's a clockwise. So which exit are we taking?
Straight. Second.
Second. So anyone look, glance, nobody's coming. Go near to the island, slow speed, check your mirrors, signal down.
Okay. Yeah.
That's it. Check your mirrors again, builds up your speed.
Okay.
That is the difference between the mini and the major roundabout. Check your mirrors and gradually build up your speed, but that's it. Relax. You see, first time you're doing it, the nerve is getting better now. So okay, you're doing very good so far. Pick up your speed gradually. So looking ahead, what's happening? What may happen?
Traffic might change.
May change. So you check your mirrors, ease off a little bit. If it doesn't change, check your mirrors again and build up a speed. Now looking ahead, what is the hazard in front of you?
Cyclist.
Now we're going to be turning left at the traffic light, and there's a bend coming up. Is it worth overtaking a cyclist? No, hold back. Now we're going towards Blackburn. Let's see how good your multitasking is. So where do you think where we're going?
Left.
What do we need to do?
Position to the left lane.
What do we do before
Check
position?
mirrors.
And?
Signal.
Well done. So we need to cross over the cycle lane. What is the better idea to do again? What?
Check the left mirror.
Yeah. What is the sign telling you ahead?
It's a giveaway.
So it's a T junction. Start looking early. And go anyone coming from your right?
No.
No?
No, yeah.
You sure?
No.
They were coming?
Yeah.
Anybody else coming?
No.
Okay, now stay into which lane?
Left
More
lane.
push and pull. That's it. Now there is a roundabout coming up. We're going towards Blackburn. Second exit ahead.
Okay.
Forget about the signal for 1 minute. Just relax yourself, take a deep breath, glance your right and look ahead for positioning. Glance your right and look ahead. Anyone coming towards you?
No.
No. Right. After this, now check your mirrors and signal down.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah.
You rush yourself.
I didn't realize there was an exit even there.
But you said second exit, remember?
Yeah.
Easily done, because now you're realizing is a lot of multitasking there, so relax yourself. I'm going to explain to you again. So we're going towards Blackburn, which is straight ahead. Look at the arrows. How many arrows on this road?
There is two.
So we're going ahead. Which exit?
Second.
Good. So don't worry about the signal. Slow down. Anyone coming?
No.
Go near to the island and don't speed. Don't ease off the speed. Check your mirrors. Center and left. Signal. Did you check your left mirror?
No.
Because you were. When I say to you ease off, were you ease off or you were still speeding?
I was still speeding. So
That is a bad habit. Let's try better next time. So we're going downhill. What do we do?
Off the accelerator.
Check your mirrors and press the
Brake.
Don't worry about the signal. Relax. I will tell you when to signal. Start slowing down more. Brakes. More brakes. Positioning. Start looking early. Anyone coming?
Yes.
So we stop here. Go near to the island now for me. Okay, ease off the accelerator now. That's fine. Check your center and the left mirror. Signal down. And then gentle speed. That's it. Well done. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
You don't need to worry about the traffic behind. It's the first time you're doing it. You will gonna gradually build up more speed.
Yeah.
Again, or you think you can do this by yourself?
No, you can do it by myself.
You can do by yourself. Okay, let's do this then. Positioning. Don't need to stop if nobody's coming.
Okay.
Nope.
No.
No. Did you check your mirrors?
No.
Were you speeding on the bend?
I think I had my foot over the accelerator, but I
You
was
were
not.
pressing it as
Was
well.
that?
I can feel it.
Okay.